Dear viewers, today I am going to share with you good news on this World Pharmacist Day. That today we shared a note sheet with the competent authority of the Harvard Medical University, Professor Dr. Arshad Javed, who have a keen interest for the initiation of clinical pharmacy and to give a new flavor to the pharmacy practices, not only in KP but in Pakistan. So perhaps he will be the leader, the first one to uplift the healthcare system with the promotion and even promulgation of the clinical pharmacy practices in KP and Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Today I'm very happy, not only that on this World Pharmacist Day we moved a note sheet to the Vice Chancellor, but I'm very happy because of some of the good acts of our juniors, that there was a day when me and some of my colleagues started an initiative to celebrate the World Pharmacist Day, despite the fact we lost elections by small margins, and then we invited the then presidents. And now I can see my students, especially Shaukat, who is perhaps country bred, and then Shaukat Saad, pharmacist of the leading hospital, was at University of Malacca. So seeing them back at University of Malacca, particularly Shaukat, because he has a great potential. Shaukat Ali, who is one of my students, and when he won the inter-university competition, and the first three toppers were from the pharmacy department. At that time I was the in-charge chairman of Department of Pharmacy. So Shaukat, you did very well. Dr. Maqsood, you did very well, and so the other staff, you did very well, and even Shaukat Saad, thanks that you joined there, because University of Malacca, flourishing the University of Malacca, have the sweating of my body and my colleagues. So at the end I have some good news that we are going to start clinical pharmacy practices. So there will be residency programs on the analogy of technologically advanced countries like USA. Residency program may be in total parental nutrition, in pediatric pharmacy, in clinical pharmacy, other aspects like oncology and internal medicines. So for that we need some skilled staff, and being a member of the American College of Clinical Pharmacy and even the member of the academic committee of ACCP, USA, even American College of Clinical Pharmacology as well. So, and having a master in medical education, so we will try to inculcate new ideas and adopt new methodology, as well as to transfer skills to the graduates of the KMU Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, as we moved the summary on the advice of the Vice Chancellor for the establishment of College of Pharmacy as KMU Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences at Harvard Medical University, Peshawar. So this is moved today on the World Pharmacist Day. Thanks to Professor Javed for having a keen interest in the startup KMU Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So the future is good for the pharmacists. Why? Because as NHR's strategic framework, which is already available on my YouTube website, so there is one of the strategic recommendation, that is that KMU shall come with its own College of Pharmacy as role model, where they ask for the initiation of clinical pharmacy practice in Pakistan, as one of the findings in the SWOT analysis was that KMU that there is no clinical pharmacy practices in Pakistan.